No rush, no fuss, massive. Peace and love, see?
This is Stephen Ragamuffin Marley, Rory Lionada.
As a principal child. Brazilian crew, how you doing, man?
It's Selassie, it's the child. Power of the Trinity. Tell them, Rory, build their mind in this direction. Serve the living God and live. Oh, take your troubles to Selassie. He's the only King of Kings.
Hear that?
Tell them, Rory, conquering Lion of Judah. Triumphantly, we all must sing.
Massive.
Tell you what, Rory search in the search. It's a great book of men. And in Revelation, look what Rory find. It's Selassie, it's the child. And all the world should know. Tell them, Rory, that man is the angel. And our God, the King of Kings.
San Polo Master in the building.
Well, I search, yeah. Rory, tell them what we find in Revelation. Look at Haile Selassie, it's the child.
Hear that?
He's the only King of Kings.
King of Kings, Lord of Lords. Massive.
Conquering Lion of Judah. Triumphantly, Rory we sing. Lion, still a Babylon, still a na-na-na, still a na-na-na.
Yes, fire. Yes, my Jen Selassie, I know they are live and direct in the living colors. Tonight, you might hear some songs in a different style and fashion, different mix. Some songs you never heard before in your life. So the black dope stays. See? Catch them style, yeah.
There's a natural mystic blowing through the air. Yeah. If you listen carefully now, you will hear. Yeah.
He's a skanking.
This could be the first trumpet. Might as well be the last. Many more will have to suffer. Many more will have to die. Don't ask me why.
Hear them say, yeah.
One and all get to face reality, yeah. Though what's right to find the answers to all the questions they ask. Yet we know it's impossible to go living through the past. Don't tell no lie. There's a natural mystic blowing through the air.
Yes, dreadlocks.
Such a natural mystic
Drinkle.
blowing through the air.
Heaven Signati. Dreadlocks.
Such a natural mystic
Mr. Marley. Wanna say big shout out.
The one's right to find the
Up in Zion.
to all the questions they
Jack
ask.
Shaka.
Yet we know it's impossible
Check that.
to go living through the past. Don't tell no lie. If you listen carefully now, you will hear. 'Cause there's a natural mystic blowing through the air.
Left on side.
Such a natural mystic
Back in the way yourself, dreadlocks.
blowing through the air.
In your hearts.
There's a natural mystic blowing through the air. Such a natural mystic blowing and blowing through the air.
Yeah, that dreadlocks.
Such a natural mystic knocking on your door, blowing through the air. Knocking on your door. Such a natural mystic, blowing through the air. Blowing through the air. Oh, there's a natural mystic blowing through the air. Blowing through the air. Such a natural mystic. There's a natural mystic.
In the meantime, to all Africans, so that's how I know. United. Chica, Nourish.
Africa, unite, 'cause we're moving right out of Babylon, and we're going to our father's land. How good and how pleasant it would be before God and man
Messiah.
to see the unification of all
After.
Africans.
That's it.
Has it been said? Let it be done. We are the children of someone. We are the children of Africa. The children of Cause we're moving right out of Babylon. We're moving to our father's
As we rock it different. Dubwise 2025. Dreadlock. All Godfather. Tinker. Yes. See ya. Tribute to Fabian out of Panama. Uncle Daniel, the engineer, inside the mix. Massive.
There is a state to be taken. Let's not my people be forsaken. If there is a man to be blamed,
He dance.
let the politician be named.
Right.
Give the call.
Here's a black dog experience.
Do you hear the big calling? Have you read Marcus writing?
You heard?
This is a black dog warning.
What dreadlocks?
Black dog won't let you fall.
All the crew out of Mexico.
Black dog won't let the youths them fall. Prophecy.
Yeah, that man's here.
One God, one aim, one destiny. Words of Marcus Garvey.
As we continue, Drinkle Brothers, Stevie Dread. This is serious business. Even Rastaman, in them stadium. If you don't know, no.
If I should serve any other God, Selassie would be mine. If I should serve any other God, Selassie would be mine. For I know yes, I know.
Stevie Dread, Drinkle Brothers, John Dreadful. Yes, I am. John Dreadful. I'm not joking, let's get up to your reality dreadlocks. Right for the moonshine.
If I should serve any other God, Selassie would be Lord. If I should serve any other God, Selassie would be Lord.
Has been inside the part 2, Dubwise. Dreadful Ting Dreadlocks. Just me, black up style. Dark Force 2025. Keeping the sound system culture alive. Yeah. Keep on turning them side, yeah. Dreadlocks, Empress. Junior treatment one is your safety as artically. Our roots rock reggae, yard style, Jamaica style, Kingston yard style. Our later on the Godfather, King James in the building. Also my sister, that son. So that's what I know. Yes, I am. As we move on, rocking that different style, yeah, I've seen sounds on courtesy from the Gladiators, from the classics. Yes, I am. Top Force 2025. Our text, hey, massive. Pull my selector, so last I know say can't play one time.
Red, black, and green, black down.
Massive Gladiator selection. Dreadlocks hour. No rush, no force. Yes.
Although I tried you, finally out Babylon. Although I tried you, finally out of wicked one. I will say no evil, for the one with me from the beginning.
It's all on video.
In this day on and on.
It's been televised.
On and on.
It's massive. Yes, massive. They are live and they're gonna live in colors as we're inside Drinkle. All Africans from Zimbabwe. Cash up style, yeah.
Every soul have a right to decide its own destiny.
We out.
Every soul have a right to decide its own destiny. And in this judgment there is no partiality.
Yes, my savior.
So arm in arm with arms, we fight this little struggle.
All nations one groove.
That's the only way we can overcome a little trouble. Brother, you're right, you're right, you're right, you're right. We gon' fight, we gonna fight. Rory will fight, fighting for right.
All stage relax.
Rory mash it in Zimbabwe. Rory step it in Zimbabwe. Go there, Rory, go there in
If you love Butcher Bad John, our is Kanko, Trevor Sawa.
Mother, Rory Stone Love, mother, all Rory Stone Love, you won't ever see another.
Yeah.
Got the clocks good up, busting out anyway, that them sound they are not tried. How do you, brother? For them up and down country, like them and give them the price. Rory take on the cheddar, cause some sound bad, good sound live forever, run out and punk out myself. Rory Stone Love never. Any sound Rory kill that dead forever. Any Rory sound good, we are gonna get treasure. Yeah, we know. Pass me up in a pleasure. Tell them we are poor and them.
Steven.
Rory mash it in Zimbabwe. Set it up in Zimbabwe. Go there, Rory, go there in Zimbabwe. Then now you liberate Zimbabwe. No more internal power struggle.
Yes, my savior.
Forward together to sort out the little trouble.
All Japanese country war.
And soon we'll find out who is real revolutionaries.
I sure.
Cause I don't want my people to be trained by mercenaries. Brother, you're right. God knows, yeah. Yes, you're right. We'll have to fight. We're gonna fight. Rory will fight. Fighting for our rights. Mash it up in Zimbabwe. Set it up in Zimbabwe. Go there, Rory, go there in Zimbabwe. I liberate.
Now, my beautiful sister, all the way from Chicago said, Rory Stone Love, can you play it in a dub style? I can do that. This is Black Dub style. Okay, as we do continue, we call this one the promise dub, Black Dub style.
Rory Stone Love. Oh, Black Dub my sound.
Dubwise Cafe.
Black Dub music.
Nations.
Just like the truth manifest. Black dog music.
All nations, the force.
Just let the truth manifest itself.
Sister lineage.
Cause man was made out of love.
Yes.
Forever be to your brother's true love.
That's him.
Cause respect is overdue.
How much dreadlocks?
But how could Rory be ungrateful after all the things Jah has done? Rory ain't gonna break his promise to Jah. Ain't gonna break his promise to him and never. Ain't gonna break his promise to Jah. Rory ain't gonna break his promise to Jah. Oh no. Jah gave the moon that brightens up the night. Oh, how the moonlight glows. And Jah give you them stars, they twinkle in the skies. Oh, we love them starlight so. Then how could Rory be ungrateful after all the things Jah has done? Rory ain't gonna break his promise to Jah. Black dogs ain't gonna break his promise to him and never. Rory ain't gonna break his promise to Jah. Ain't gonna break his promise to Jah. Oh no.
Johnny Osborne.
Rory will never break it. This is something Rasta don't fake it.
Yeah, fake it.
Rory will never fake it.
Yes.
Black dog will never break it.
Robbie Osborne.
This is a promise to Jah. Rory make it.
Well, dreadlocks.
Cause Jah give you that moon that brightens up the night.
Sure.
Oh, how the moonlight glow. And Jah give you them stars. They twinkle in the sky. Oh, we love them starlight so. Then how could Rory be ungrateful?
Massive.
All the things Jah has done.
Already man said.
Ain't gonna break his promise to Jah.
One more time.
Ain't gonna break his promise to him and never.
How much dreadlocks?
Ain't gonna break his promise to Jah.
Yes, I am.
Ain't gonna break his promise to Jah. Oh no. Rory never break it. To Jah is this promise. That's so Rory make it. Black dog's music will never fake it. This is a promise to Jah. Rory make it. Jah. We made this promise to you. Rory make you this promise. Never to break it, no. Black dog will never fake it. Rory never break it.
Yeah, that's what I know.
Never break your promise.
Yes.
Ain't gonna break my promise to Jah. Rory ain't gonna break his promise to him and never.
You like it? Alright, massive. Studio first style, Black Dog style. Johnny Osborne as we Chinka.
Stop all your
fussing and fighting. His Majesty's music is playing.
We know dreadlocks, I'm Empress.
Stop all your fussing and fighting. His Majesty's music is playing. Stop all your fussing and fighting. His Majesty's music is playing. Unite.
All nations, so force.
Murderer, have a Rory in your area. Murderer, stop the music in your area.
Massive, massive, massive.
And if the trouble man was Gavi, and if the trouble man
Reload.
stop all your fussing and fighting. His Majesty's music is playing. Stop all your fussing and fighting. His Majesty's music is playing. Unite. Murderer, Papa Rory in your area. Murderer, stop the music in your area. And if the trouble man was Gavi, and if the trouble Paul Rogan, and if the trouble William Garvin, and if the His Majesty
Jamaicans.
Murderer, Papa Rory in your area. Murderer, that the winner in your area. Oh Lord,
Yes, dreadlocks.
so this is stop all your fussing and
Fighting.
time we start uniting. Stop all your fussing and fighting. Time we start uniting.
Alright,
Unite.
massive. Here comes the history of sound system.
Papa Rory in your area.
So massive. Big history.
Black Bobina, you
Catch some style.
oh Lord. They say we play you.
Catch it, massive. Son. Good Lord. That's it, man. Just arrived the king, the Godfather. Papa Jam is my Godfather. Good Lord. Massive. No massive. It's all about the youth them right now. Catch it.
Rory Stone Love to keep on playing and every time on the hour. We have to think that we sound now for you know.
Yeah, catching.
Well, I say, I don't love Rory Stone Love, who make me so one. Bang, bang, bang. All over here, some black
go.
When you hear me, they call, kill me. Say how we kill them, we fuck again. Kill them, now rip the song, we kill them.
I don't like them.
But I tell them, turn the gun, me say that Rory kill one. But for the men, they can't Rory just out the gang. There's no gonna run, no, don't just turn up. Don't they like that, we the one that's serving the arm, not out of when leave no set for now. Anytime the one you bang the one of them a dead man. So hear me drop this man, you like the lad, the Masadama. For Rory, you go down them in a damn confession. When I listen to the time, the king champion.
That's it, man.
I'm up and down the cut up on the reggae version. We want me on the love and I say blah, blah, blah. I say all you want, kill a rapist, put up on the wall.
They don't like them, man.
All who not like child molest, don't make me so warm.
It's reality. Again.
Just gapping, then they jumping, back then something popping. Nobody stopping, it's been dropping, and the kids getting chopping. It's the one thing that dropping, man, no man can't stop him. Everybody is saying it for them all on the head, for the liver. Baby, never give me a shilling. Just murder them tonight and bury them a morning. The matter what they do when the matter what they say. Come and listen to black music, white Rory you play. I start to turn them in the public queen birthday. But I hold it is the sound you go to Zion go play. I cock up we put up on the reggae shell way. I say play Rory Stone Love play. And give my the people them a land that them a say. But bring up other sound system come up there.
Yes, Mass with their live and direct just right inside the building. The King James is here live and direct. So you know, say later, you know, say murder. I say lineage die, you know, so you have a shock out from that. You know, say murder later on. And if we Godfather, yeah, from where to use, we go around and jam and come with the dub plate them every week. You understand me? The Godfather is here. As we continue, bumping Johnny Osborne selection, Tinker.
Rory playing in the ghetto tonight.
We out. Yes, dreadlocks. Later murder, Mackie Banton Ocean Star.
Rory playing in the ghetto tonight. Him I go rock you tonight. Papa Rory I go rock you tonight. Rory playing in the ghetto tonight. We gonna rock you tonight. Black Dubs I go rock you tonight. Hey me operator, tell me how do you feel? Want to play some more Black Dubs for me? Play it in a chapter like a 1, 2, 3. I say come on little children, it's like ABC. Everybody dancing, people keep on saying he's playing for His Majesty.
Yes, sire.
Everybody dancing, all the massive keep on saying we're playing for His Majesty.
As we continue, Black Dub style to the one style, outside the 13, Papa Tristan Palmer.
Entertainment is a form of enjoyment. No matter fighting at the dance. Worry keep on playing. Worry keep on playing. No matter much of the dance. We come to enjoy the sales. We come to enjoy the sales. While the music playing and me I drink skanking, the sister dancing. If you see a man, I dance
for use artically. In the meantime, triple the man like Daddy Roy and the Sturgraph Massives as we enter inside thing we call the Frozen Dub.
This is the sound of Black Dog.
Somalia, children.
Come and dance, all kind of people come and dance.
Catch it.
All kind of people come and dance. They come face some of in a one corner you have your liquor drinker. In a one corner you have your sexy smoker. What them booger? He must say about that earth. Oh yeah, alright. Him a not a road, him a charge $200. Fussing and fighting out there with Lana. You'd be lucky if you name the time them list. Oh yeah,
here we go.
I never push no barrow. The prefer tried in number clocks on the arrow. Me nah go work with no company. Boy, that's international slavery. No, I never push no barrow. But if I tried, in the clouds on the arrow. Me nah work with no company.
Top Force 25.
International slavery.
Somalia, different style.
Black dog when I go work for Babylon. Being independent as best as we can.
So right now, Massive.
The road and me clubs and me yarrow. Now go take the time to push no sun in and no barrow. No, I now go push no barrow.
We got dreadlocks.
Make me for child in a me clubs and me yarrow.
Lord, I should never read a clock, so I'm straight for me.
Joseph.
Walking down the street, me never push the wheelbarrow. Oh boy, nowadays I mean don't like how them walk. Them building at them face and screechy get to sidewalk. And if you chat to them a beer gunshot about me can't talk. Me can't talk, Lord. International slavery. I tell you international slavery, Lord. International slavery. Lord, and God and them you think can't preparing. Yes, hey. At the same thing kill me whole granny. It at the same thing kill me whole mommy. International slavery. Lord, working like the day I never get no pay. Lord, chose you will put a microphone a DJ. And people them tell me say to chat and pray. Oh, while Rory Stone Love just a playing ding 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 ding. Tell them stop. International slavery. International slavery. We wanna hang out together. There's love from the father. Nation stands forever on the aim on the icon. Don't that way you think before you pass the river. Oh, now I told you we were not the longest living. International slavery. I'm always full of international slavery. Black Nova international slavery.
Take on the Frozen Dub. Yes, Massive Celestia, I know.